Hi, I'm Tamika. I'm the CEO for Mother's Garden. And I was talking to my friend about something and he told me I should share this. So for as long as I can remember, at least, through my adult years, my teenage years, I have had issues with showing my arms, showing, skin, like your belly, I've hidden it. And I've had a lot of like shame around these things. And I was sitting there today realizing like I've been wearing like short sleeve shirts, like different sleeveless tops and things. And I realized that, after going through what I went through last year, which is kidney failure, I experienced my kidneys going into end stage renal failure really quickly because of a rare condition called vasculitis. And with that experience, I ended up on life support. And with that experience, I just realized that these little things that we put so much emphasis on are not really as serious and as important as we think. The most important thing I've realized is feeling good and being healthy. And I've just realized that it's like your body is your body, regardless of the size you're at. Right now, I'm at about 203 pounds. I was 250 pounds when my kidneys failed. And I've been working out and I've been doing things to lose weight, diet, exercise, just mindfulness, really listening to my body and like what it's saying it needs. And I'm just realizing that you get this one body no matter what you do. You can chop off parts and change things, but at the end of the day, like, this is what you came with. It might not be what you leave with, but love it as it is. Take care of it. Do what you can do to enjoy it. It's yours. Touch it. Feel it. Moisturize it with options for Mother's Garden. I'll see you all soon, okay? Have a nice day.